So why do you need systems anyway? The first and immediate reason to have systems in your business is to avoid chaos. So now imagine that you have, say, 20 people on your fulfillment team. You've got 20 different ways of fulfilling work for your clients. Can you see how that might be a really big problem? In most businesses, there are 4 main departments. Each of these departments can have significant benefits from having systems in place. You're going to see more predictability, so the same outcome every single time. You're going to see more efficiency, so that's a significant reduction in waste and a reduction in errors and money lost. You're also going to see more leverage. That's being able to do more, create more, and earn more with less resources. And to put some icing on that cake, as your company starts to scale faster, your employees will see even greater growth potential for them and for their career, and that's going to make them stick around longer. So put simply, when you have systems in place, chaos will be drastically reduced. Employees will become more productive, clients will be happier and they'll stay longer, profits will increase, and you will experience a lot less stress. That sounds pretty good, doesn't it?